So what are the treatments? Which treatments are actually legitimate? There's a lot of scientific evidence that's coming out looking at these treatments and actually studying these treatments and actually proving that these treatments work. But they're hard. They're challenging. They force you to actually get out of your comfort zone. All right? Sitting back, and unfortunately this is what's happened with concussion, is we've all been led to believe that anything that provokes symptoms is bad for us. Right? You might go to your doctor and you say, well, I did this and then that made me worse. And your doctor says, well, don't do that anymore. Okay? That's actually the reverse of what your attitude should be. It should be, oh, I did this and it made me worse. Your answer to that would be like, well, I guess I have to do more of that. That's how you have to start thinking about this. Symptoms are just there to tell you where your problems are. But pushing into those symptoms a little bit is actually how you're going to overcome them. Okay? So I'm going to lay this out for you. I'm going to take you through exactly what you need to get better. The problem is, a lot of you that are listening to that right now are going to look at me and say, F this guy, I don't want to listen to that. He's wrong. And you're going to keep searching for the answers you want to hear. You're going to keep searching for the magic bullet, the pill, the test, the little treatment that somebody can do to you, passive. Everyone's looking for the passive care. Everyone wants the pill to help make them better, but there is no magic bullet. It's rehab. It's going out and challenging yourself and pushing yourself a little bit further than where you're comfortable, because that's where the growth is, right? The growth and the strength from lifting weights and working out doesn't come from, reps 1 to 5. It comes from reps 6 to 10. When you can't even push anymore, that's where you're getting the gains, when it gets uncomfortable. And that's really how you have to think about this. Okay, you're not going to get better by pulling back. But a lot of you right now at the first sign of discomfort are going to say, I don't want to do that anymore. And those that say, I'm going to do this and I'm going to take this seriously, you're going to get better. Those that say no, well, you're going to keep searching for that magic bullet, and a few years will go by and you'll be right back here trying to figure out why you're not better yet when everyone else is.